It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. That's Scott. Morning.
Morning.
This is the intro to part 2 of this video. Wake up, Josh.
I got some right here.
I got some sugar-free, caffeine-free, gluten-free vegan tea. Lemon rose. Coming down off the mountain, we weren't really sure about the route we were all going to take. All of our GPS said different things, so we ended up getting split up for a couple hours, and sometimes that's just kind of part of the trip. So I ended up by myself it was right about 2 hours, and I decided I needed to stop for some gas on Route 58, and stopped for some gas, and ended up seeing the guys. After we get some gas. Hey, there they go. There's Josh, Scott, and John. Bye, guys. So let's continue. Maybe we can we'll run back into Josh and them. We'll see. I wonder if they stopped at one of the gas stations up here. They might have. Just have to keep an eye out for them. we were only like a minute ahead of them, so we'll see. It really depends on their speed too. If they're going a little above the speed limit, they're going to pull away from us a lot. So, we'll see. Alright, we found him. So this is actually the same sheets that we all stopped at when we were going to VIR to Moto America, Moto GP to watch our buddy race, and it's basically the exact same route that we took getting home from VIR, which we have some really cool stuff in the works to go back to VIR, a couple other tracks that we're going to visit. You guys don't want to miss that at all. An update is coming soon, including another new addition to the garage. So this is a shorter video than what I wanted to put out, but going through all the footage and everything, I don't want to bore you guys to death with just riding footage, because that's literally all we did on this trip. We just rode and rode. We went all over the place, and I get bored of it myself just watching the ride footage, so I'm going to end it here. We do have a lot of really good stuff coming up. There's a couple more trips that are being planned. There's a huge transition in our racing development in our department that is taking place right now that I am overly excited to tell you guys about, but I don't want to tell you too much just yet because everything still works. August 14th and 15th, we're going to Carolina Motorsports Park, and we're going to try our hand at a different type of racing. There's a lot of different transitions going on with the channel, with our bikes and everything, and I'm very excited to bring all of you guys and girls and wonderful people of YouTube this very new, very fresh content. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and until next time, I'm Tinless Moto.